welcome to Opportune. My name is Eva, and in today's lesson, we're going to look at creating relationships, merging and appending tables. So, in many cases, when creating visualization, you're going to use data from multiple tables, and these tables need to be connected in one way or the other. And one way you can achieve this connection is by creating relationships, as I'm going to demonstrate in this lesson. First, I'm going to import the tables we use. I would like to use all these sheets from this workbook. I'll start by transforming the data. And here, we're going to remove any unwanted values and clean the data to our liking. So I'll start with the first table. So we have null rows there, so just come and fit and check whether we have null values. Then in the region, I want this to be the header. On this table, do the same. Remove blank rows. On the products table, so our data is clean. We can close and apply. Once the tables have loaded, you will see the sheets on the far right. I would like to import another table that I'll use for the appending example. Select this sheet and just transform and check for nulls. Okay, I do not have any null rows. In this case, I'll close and apply. And our data is here ready for use. We'll come to the view section. Under the model view, Power BI will auto-detect any relationships within the tables, mostly by fields that are common in the tables. And in this case, it has created some relationships here. So I'll check whether this is what I want. Just collapse this. So I don't want anything to be connected to my retailer data table. So delete all these connections. Okay. Now, this is a facts table, and these are the dimension table. And as you can see, we have a star schema where the dimensions table are connected to the facts table. We can also achieve this kind of connection. Okay, not this kind of connection. You can also achieve another form of connection by merging the tables. That means I'll have all the data from the products table, region table, and retailer table in one flat table. And this is what I mean. So I'll go to transform data. what I would like first to do is to append. By appending, I mean that all the fields that are present in this table are the same as the fields present in the retailer data table. So you have two tables with similar fields but different data contained in them. So you would like to have them, to join them, or to append, I will not use the word join, to append the data from the retailer data to sales. So I'll come and click append queries. So there are two tables I'd like to append, and that is the retailer data table. That's the first thing I'm going to do so that we can have one large table. So you can see appended query, all the data is here now. From here, I'd like to have the region data, the information that is here, merged to the table data sales Adidas. What I'll do, I'll come to merge queries, and I will merge the products. Let me just go with this order. I'll merge on what is common here is the products. So click products there and click products here. I'll use a full outer. You can use whatever, but depending on how your data is arranged. And then the column that I want here is ID. So I'll do the next one, merge, then say region, state, then click this. What I want is just the region. Then I'll merge the last one. Retailer, on retailer. Retain these two fields. And as you can see, now we have one large flat table with all the contents of the other tables. I can now disable these tables. Then close and apply. And as you can see now, we're still on the view section, model view. We have one flat table with all the contents or the fields of the previous tables that we had before. I will not encourage merging tables unless it is very necessary. I only create relationships, that is what I do, but there's no harm in knowing multiples way of doing something. That's all on creating relationships, merging and appending tables. In the next lesson, we look at DAX, that is data analysis expressions. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And until then, stay safe.